Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, DSG Hair Journeys. During my time on YouTube, I'm going to show you tips, tricks, and just all things hair journeys, especially with what I get through. And something I really like doing is hair competitions. So my first ever video is going to be all about hair competitions. Recently, in the UK, they've just announced the Precision Cutting Championships. And anyone who watches this video and knows me knows I'm not cut at. But you know what? I'm up for that challenge. So I've got my doll's head here and I'm going to compete. If you want to cut along with me today, you'll need a few tools. The DPC3 and the DPC5 and the D3 combs and brushes from Denman Tools. You'll also need a cutting agent today. I'm going to use the ASP Miracle Mist Affinage Salon Professional. We'll also need a bottle of water just to keep the hair nice and saturated. I'm going to be using the F3 and the F4 Scissors from Akito. And to finish off, we'll be drying with the IQ Gama Professional Hairdryer. So get your tools ready because we're about to start. So the cut they're asking for the first part of this competition is a triangular graduation. Now like I said, I'm not an educator for cutting. But I'm here to show you how I'm going to put my entry in for this competition. So I'm not going to be giving you technical advice, I'm just going to be showing you how I do it and hopefully inspire you to enter the competition with me. So to begin, we're just going to spray the Miracle Mist, our cutting aid, onto our doll. And then we need to do our sections. So I'm going to take it on the left hand side of the doll, using the tip of the comb, pulling back, sectioning off. Now we need to start placing this into sections. So I'm going from the top where the crown sits just to the back of the ear. I'm going to section that off. With all of my sections I take nice and sleek, moving away, over a direction forward, using my sectioning clips and just clip out the way, and we'll come back to that section later. And now we're just going to section this off. Again, from the centre, straight down, and we're just going to clip these apart as well. Once you've got all your sectioning done, make sure you saturate the hair using your Miracle Mist, and you continue that all the way through every single section you do, just to ensure that you're keeping the same moisture and density through the hair as you go through and cut. So that's the back done already, so we've got our graduation in there. And what you'll see is on the bottom, I've left it a bit messy because once this is dry, I'm going to go refine that. I'm going to start with a point and just create a curve coming out to match these sides. So that's that bit done. Like I say, once this is dry, we'll come back and we'll refine these pieces. And obviously we'll see how it sits, see if we've got to do any more work to that. But we're going to move on to the sides now, which is a really exciting part for me. Again, the key thing here is making sure that we keep this hair saturated. So give it a good spray of water, and then get your cutting aid and just go over the top of that, ready to start. Then we'll take our DPC5 comb. I'm just going to take straight sections across, and then clip that section out of the way. Let's go. Again, you can see I've left this piece out and I'm going to refine that once it's dry. I'm going to create a bit of shape and texture in the movement in the front. Now we move on to the next side, and with this what I'm going to do is create a bit of over direction to give it a point towards the front, and I'll show you how to do that now. So now we've done the base cut, we're going to blow dry this and then we're going to start refining. I'm just going to give it a quick move around so you can all see. There we go. So we've got the triangular graduation in the back, which we're going to define and just double check when it's all dry. We've then got the right hand side, which we did an A-line towards the front. We've got the left hand side, which kept it quite straight. I have left the piece out at the end because if in doubt, leave it out, and I want to cross check that front at the end, make sure the weight's still there. But yeah, let's dry it. So now it's all dry, nice and smooth, what we're going to do is go and start refining this edge and connecting the sections that we created. So the back section to the front section, we're going to start creating that and connecting those again. There we have it, guys. That's my entry into the Precision Cutting Championship, the triangle graduation. As you can see, we've got an A-line at the front, strong, straight section on the left-hand side, triangle graduation at the back, which we have refined to an inch of its life using the Akito Scissors. So thank you very much for tuning in to my first ever YouTube channel.